Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we are covering Aclarion Inc., ticker ACON, ACON, a medtech company leveraging AI-powered no size scan to non-invasively diagnose sources of chronic low back pain. As of January 8th, 2026, ACON is exploding in pre-market trading, up over 40% to around $8.20 after closing yesterday at $5.75 and building momentum from record adoption metrics. The major catalyst this morning, Aclarion released its 2025 update and 2026 corporate outlook, highlighting record high no-see scan volumes, up 69% year over year annually, and a staggering 114% Q4 alone. Ooh, bless me. Oh my god, that was gross. Excuse me. The company also reported progress in the Clarity post-market trial with first patient enrollments at new sites and guidance for initial data in 2026. These milestones signal accelerating commercial traction for their proprietary platform in the massive chronic pain market. ACON remains a high volatility, speculative small cap, but today's surge has it firmly on the radar. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If this update was helpful, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids, and comment your thoughts on ACON below. See you in the next one. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some money. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. I love you all. See you in the next one.